na no count kana no report gimainie na kana report ithiete kuhanana na tayo thirikari ni thigatetwo kwarira mitaratara ya gutigirira ati ni mateithiriria kugwithia thogora wa tauro cia utheru itamini ria gukorwo makiaura mwana wa kairetu giconoko na makeria hingo yake ya kahinda ka mweri ni ritana rikitio na ikundi tiganite ya mihango ya uheani wa mataro kuri arutwo a thukuru wa airetu akireti gukune kaunti-ini ya Murang'a kuringana na Felicia Mariga na uria niwe kurugamirire mihango eno ni ugite ati airetu ingi ni makoretwo makiremwo ni gutwarithia mathomo mao na mbere kumanagia na gicambio kiria kiumanaga na wagi wa tauro cia utheru.
Omweri makiri ma arutwo airetu ne magaga guthie cukuru kumana na wagi wa tauro cia utheru ni kuringana na uthuthuria wa ruhonge rwa githomo bururi-ini na ruria rugite ati aingi arutwo airetu matikoretwo magithie cukuru wa ciumia igiri hari tamu undu uria ucokagia mathomo mao na thutha.
Amepata ama amenoa? Ati pass or fail?
Kurumirira maumirira maya gikundi kia Goal Guest Foundation na gitafanitie mbitika cia mubira hamwe na otari kuri arutwo wa cukuru wa airetu wa Kiriti kaunti ya Murang'a na kuria maheanete tauro cia utheru kuri arutwo aya. Hĩndĩ ya mihango eno thirikari ni thingatitwo kwanjĩrĩria mitaratara ya guteithia gwithia thogora wa tauro cia utheru niguo kinya aria maumite mĩciĩ etehotete makorwo na uhoti wa gucigura.
That the government should help, maybe provide funding, teach the students and the teachers on the better way of accessing these instruments that is going to help them in their menstrual journey.
Ne uge uria wikitio ni Felicia Mariga uria ne umwe wanyitite mihango-ini eno. Uge wake ukinyitwo baru ni Collins Omondi na uria ugete ati ni hari bata wa guthomithia muingi iguru ria utheru wa kahinda ka mweri kuri atumia na kweheria unduirie uria utari na njira iguru wa ihinda riri.
We are here at Kiriti Girls to give empowerment to girls on menstrual hygiene and of course empower them through football to menstrual hygiene.
As Gold Coast Foundation, together with various organizations, raise awareness about menstrual hygiene and to break the stigma surrounding menstruation. Gold Coast was founded with a vision of using sports for a positive change in our communities. We believe that this tournament is a powerful way to address menstrual hygiene because it provides a platform to raise awareness and funds for the important issues.
Mwarimu munene wa cukuru uyu Elijah Mwangi akiremwo kuhitha gikeno giake kumana na uteithio uyu kuri arutwo agitariria mamwe ma mathina maria makoretwo makigerera mari ta arutani makigeria guteithiriria arutwo hindi ya kahinda kao ka mweri.
How to go about it, they have been educated. They have also interacted with other students in the university. They have come and mentored them, shown them the way it is done. They have also been assisted with the pads. Some of the girls maybe would come to the office and would provide them with some, but now at least they have someone they can also donate.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV njitagwo Bashia wa Wanjere.
Thengiũ mũno mũndũ gwĩtwo Bashia, gũkũ tũmwĩtaga Bashia nĩ ũndũ wa riboti ona